Hello everyone, and welcome back to our math tutorial. Today, we are going to master the calculation of recurring deposits. Let's dive right into our problem on the screen. The question asks, a man deposits 2000 rupees each month on a recurring deposit account for 1 year. If the rate of interest is 9% per annum, what amount will he get at maturity? To solve this, we need to find two things, the total interest he earns, and the total amount he deposited. First, we need to look at our interest rate. The problem gives us an annual rate, 9% for 12 months. But since this is a recurring monthly deposit, we must calculate the interest on a monthly basis. So, we divide the annual rate by 12. That gives us an interest rate of 9/12% for 1 month. If we simplify that fraction by dividing the top and bottom by 3, we get our working monthly interest rate, 0.75% per month. Now, how does a recurring deposit actually work? In the first month, you deposit 2000, so that amount earns interest. In the second month, you deposit another 2000, meaning your new balance earning interest is 4000. In the third month, you add another 2000, bringing the total to 6000, and so on. If we were to calculate the interest manually for every single month, it would be the sum of each month's balance multiplied by our monthly rate of 0.75%. But doing that for 12 months is exhausting. Notice how every single term shares a common factor. We can pull out the 0.75% and the initial deposit of 2000. When we factor those out, we are left with the sum of a simple arithmetic series, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, all the way to our total number of months. This logic leads us directly to our standard formula. Instead of adding them all up manually, we use a simple formula. Interest equals P multiplied by n plus 1, 2, multiplied by r%. Here, P is our monthly deposit, n is the number of months, and r is our monthly interest rate. Let's plug in our values. Our principal P is 2000. Our time n is 12 months, so n plus 1 is 13. We divide that by 2. Our rate r is 0.75%. Remember, to write a percentage as a fraction in an equation, we put the 100 in the denominator, making it 3/400. When we multiply this out, 2000 times 12 times 13, divided by 2, times 3/400, we can easily cancel terms out to get our total interest earned over the year, which is exactly 1170 rupees. We are almost done. The question asked for the maturity amount, that's the total money the man will get back from the bank at the end of the year. To find this, we simply take the total amount of money he deposited himself and add the interest the bank gave him. He deposited 2000 rupees every month for 12 months, which equals 24,000 rupees. Add our calculated interest of 1170 rupees to that 24,000. Our final maturity amount is 25,170 rupees. And that's it. You've successfully calculated a recurring deposit. Thanks for watching, and be sure to practice this formula.